This is the QEX framework hosted on github.com. It contains README references for the various QEX subcomponents. The README files of each subcomponent has detailed instructions and guiding steps to building and deploying the services. This is the customized Golang release for the QEX framework. You can use this Golang release to run testing. Now, let's go through the code in the IDE. First, let's navigate to the source code of this customized Golang testing library. Here, you can see it defines a QEX test case structure, and there is a send message to QEX function, which will send the test execution result to the QEX platform. Every time a test is run using this Golang testing framework, it will prepare a payload in the format of QEX test case, which contains real-time test data. This data includes the test case name, maintainer info, and test result, among others. This data is then sent to the QEX platform. Now, let's move to the QEX framework source code. Here, we see that it provides two APIs that can post real-time test execution results to the QEX server or upload the git log history to trigger the QEX git log consumer to process the data. The test execution API accepts a payload in the format of QEX test case, exactly the same one created by our customized Golang testing library. The API will then send the data to InfluxDB to be stored. In the terminal window, we can see there are already millions of records present. Now, let's see the git log consumer. Each time the web API receives a request to upload the git log history, it will stage the log file in the server and send a Kafka message queue for consumption. The message will then be consumed and the git log data will be processed and pushed to the InfluxDB. Now let's move on to another component, the Jira Courier. It will start a Jira client and perform predefined queries, collect the output, and store it in the InfluxDB. Finally, we present the QEX dashboard. The configuration for the Grafana dashboard for QEX has been provided. You can simply import this JSON file directly to your own Grafana dashboard. Let's review the QEX dashboard. It consists of three parts. First, all product lines. Here, we can visualize data for all product lines to get an overview of the testing framework. Second, AD contributions presents data for a specific product line. Third, individual contributions presents data contributed by a specific QA. As we can see, each part contains insightful dynamic time series data about a product's testing output, test repo statistics, and QA developer experience data. This tool can help your organization achieve better visibility and observability of test case execution, empowering your QAs with better developer experience. You can select from the drop-down list to filter the data based on a different product line or QA. This visualization dashboard can be fully customized according to your needs. The scores shown in the dashboard are derived based on the relationships mentioned in the paper. We have come to the end of the demo video. Thank you for your time and have a good day.